Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the order of accounts in Thunderbird. If you manage multiple email accounts in Thunderbird, you might want to organize them in a specific sequence that makes sense for your workflow. This simple adjustment can help you prioritize which accounts you see first and access most frequently. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my descriptions. To get started, open your Thunderbird application. Once it launches, you'll be greeted by your main inbox view where all your email accounts are displayed. In this example, I have two accounts set up and I want to rearrange their order so the one I use most appears at the top. This is particularly useful if you juggle personal and work emails or manage accounts for different projects. Now, right-click on any of the accounts you see listed. A context menu will pop up with several options for managing that account. From this menu, click on Settings. This action opens the Account Settings window, which is your control center for customizing how each email account behaves within Thunderbird. Once you're in the Settings window, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll see a list of all your accounts displayed vertically. This is where the magic happens. Simply click and hold on any account name, then drag it up or down to rearrange the order. Thunderbird makes this incredibly intuitive. You can move accounts freely until they're in the exact sequence you prefer. The account at the top of this list will appear first in your main Thunderbird view, so arrange them according to which you access most frequently or which matters most to your daily routine. After you've dragged your accounts into the desired order, you can close the settings window. If you navigate back to the home screen or main inbox view, you'll immediately notice that the order of your accounts has changed. They now appear in the sequence you just set, making it easier to focus on the accounts that matter most to you first. And that's it. You've successfully reorganized your Thunderbird accounts to suit your workflow. This small tweak can make a noticeable difference in how efficiently you manage your emails each day. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.